You can easily track and analyze your spending by clicking on the My Money tab and the Spending subtab. Transactions are categorized and displayed by color over the last 30 days. You can adjust the dates using the arrows to change from month to month, or by using the drop-down menu to choose various date ranges or specific dates from the calendar. Click Filter Accounts to include or exclude transactions from various accounts that you've aggregated to the platform. To view a breakdown of the transactions in each category, you can click on the selections of the circle, or click the categories listed at the right. Double-click any category to see a further breakdown of the transactions within it. For instance, in food and dining we have groceries, alcohol and bar, restaurants, coffee shops, and general food and dining. Double-click the category or press Select to view the transactions. In order to view the specific transactions in each of the subcategories, use the button in the upper right-hand corner to export this data as a CSV.